Today, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful natural drink that boosts your energy, keeps you feeling fresh all day, and improves your digestion, using only simple ingredients you already have at home. To make this 250 milliliter health drink, you'll need fresh ginger, a red onion, 1 beetroot, and raw honey. No additives, no chemicals, only natural goodness. Start by preparing a small cup of ginger tea, around 250 milliliters. Add freshly grated ginger into hot water and let it simmer for a few minutes. Ginger is well known for boosting circulation, fighting fatigue, and improving digestion. Next, grab 1 fresh red onion and grate it. Strain it to get pure onion juice. Red onion contains natural antioxidants that increase energy levels and help your body detox. Add 2 tablespoons of this onion juice into your ginger tea. Now grate a fresh beetroot. Strain it to collect the juice. Beetroot is rich in natural nitrates that help your body produce more oxygen, which gives you strong, long-lasting energy. Add 5 tablespoons of beetroot juice into the same ginger tea. Finally, add 7 tablespoons of raw honey. Honey adds natural sweetness, boosts immunity, and gives the drink a smooth finish. Stir everything thoroughly until all the ingredients are perfectly blended. And there you have it, a clean, natural, energizing drink made from ginger, onion, beetroot, and honey. Drink 1 cup every morning and another in the evening before bed. This recipe boosts your energy levels, keeps you feeling fresh throughout the day, and supports smooth, healthy digestion. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel EasyTips for more simple and powerful natural remedies. See you in the next one.